This is Micropro 4.1 version 4 new version. This can be power up either through 24 volt DC, which is giving that 22 terminal and 26 terminal.
Which will come from the rectifier.
Yeah, this is coming from the either rectifier or directly DC 24 volt power supply can be provided. And another way to power up the release by the USB, either through the power bank or by the laptop connected. So I am using the USB port to power up the trip unit. This is the home screen which displays the IA current, IB current, IC current, IZ current, neutral current, thermal, trip count and trip time. Now I am going to the menu, which is edit or view menu. Now I am going to the first protection menu. In protection menu, first is LT setting, which is also called as a overload setting, which can be starts from 0.4 to, let's press one time enter and press the up button for changing the settings, and it can be disabled also. I am setting as 1 IN. To save the settings what I have said, press enter, press S, press 4 times enter the default password to change the settings, and fifth one for confirmation. Now press delay to change the overload delay, time delay. Just I am pressing the up button, enter, yes, enter 5 times. This is the short time pickup setting. This is the short time delay setting. This is instantaneous pickup setting. This is ground setting. This is ground delay setting. This is neutral current pickup. Thermal, either you can enable or disable.
Basically it is
Thermal memory,
it should be disabled.
it's that depends upon the customer requirement. Either he can wants enable or disable the thermal memory. Now I am making it disabled. Just coming back of the protection menu. Now I am entering into the fault record. The fault record which has the 20 is having IA, IB, IC, each date, time, trip time, everything you can see. The last 20 trip history can be seen, and you can, if you want to erase the faults, you can erase the faults. Next, back. Next, event settings. This event settings you can enable or disable.
Factory mode में बताओ.
This is the selection enable or disable for the event history. I have enabled it. Just enter 5 times for saving here. Erase events. Reset trip count. Whether you want to reset or yes or no. Just reset thermal memory. Edit RTC. You can change the hour, date, time, every month, year, everything as per the edit RTC. Common setting, slave address, baud rate, communication settings which are slave address, baud rate and parity settings.
Suddenly you are missing yesterday. You are in 4K.
One minute. That's all. That's all.
ब्रेकअप पर ऑफर आ गया They have used to decrease my
बाद में करते हैं बाद में करना होगा।
You need to be know everything.
Yes sir. This is a factory mode. For if you want to change the CT ratio, then you have to click first here and press enter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then enter. Now you come down with to CT and press enter. Now you can change. Now enter. Now you can change accordingly to your breaker. The minimum CT ratio is 200 and maximum to 6300. As per your breaker you can set accordingly. For example, I am setting on 2000, then press enter and enter. Now enter. Now this is set to 2000 ampere breaker. This type you can change accordingly as per your breaker size.